Everything's falling apart. It's all going downhill. It's the apocalypse. Ever felt like that? Especially when no one else got your back? There was a time when I felt that way. But guess what? Now my confidence is through the roof. Why? Because I've achieved so much on my own. And when I started making between $3,000 to $5,000 daily, I realized that in just 1 year, I could make $1 million. Let's say you take $4,000 and multiply it by 250 days. Counting weekends and holidays, bam! Just like that. $1 million.
Dad, that is fantastic!
Hey there, my dear traders, it's Evelyn here, your go-to trading guru. I've been professionally trading for over 4 years now, more specifically in the binary options market. In my treasure chest of accomplishments, a book authored by yours truly, a published interview on Bloomberg where I chat about how amazing it is to profit from binary options. Oh, and did I mention, I pull in over $1 million annually. And with that kind of cash, I bought myself my dream home and car. Oh, and before I forget, I've created this super awesome community over on Telegram. And OMG, it's exploded to over 18K subscribers already. And here's a fun part. Together, we're pulling in a whopping $500,000 every single day. Crazy, right? Feel like joining the party? Let's boost those numbers even more. Every single day, I share tips, tricks, and secrets on how to trade binary options with the members. And guys, I'm giving this info away for free. No strings attached. Yep, you heard right. I'm here, holding the hands of all you newbies out there, guiding you step by step. I've got your back, every single one of you. And let me tell you, the gratitude and love I've been getting just warms my heart.
Thank you so much for everything you have done for me.
Your signals has been amazing.
The best part? You can simply copy my trades, follow my signals, and potentially earn up to $800 a day. I know, wild, huh? And the cherry on top? You can get the hang of it all in just a couple of days, so slide into my Telegram and make sure to text me directly. Discover a whole new side of you and perhaps a whole new life. Check out the link to the channel in the description below this video and in the pinned comment. See you there!
That is fantastic.
Alright guys, so today we're trying out something super experimental. We are trading without any indicators. Yep, you heard me right. 0 indicators. And get this, on a 5-second time frame. Oh boy. Did you know in the binary options market you could potentially make $1,000 in a single day? Watch me attempt to turn $1 into $1,000 in just 12 or 15 minutes. Yep. That's right, it's totally doable. Alright, let's set things up for our experimental trading session, shall we?
Oh yeah, here we go, game time.
Okay, step 1. We're going with a candlestick time frame of 30 seconds and a trade duration of just 5 seconds. As for our currency pairs, we've got the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar paired with the Swiss franc, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. Today is going to be quite a roller coaster, isn't it? Even our setup was super quick. Okay, it's high time we try out a unique strategy. By the way, what time frame do you find most suitable and safe for a trade? Drop a comment letting me know which one you go for and why. It would be so cool to see if we think the same way.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Alright, it's go time. You're with me, right? Let's gear up for a journey to some easy and swift profits. Buckle up and let's roll. We've got a clear trend shift going downward here. But a closer look tells us the bulls aren't backing down just yet, and they're fighting for control. Let's dive into a 5-second time frame and position ourselves lower, waiting for that bounce. Clicking higher. Boom! We've scaled our first peak, $1.92. Now, beginners might underestimate such amounts because, well, they seem tiny. But guess what? Small amounts are the best for testing out strategies and gaining experience. For our second pair, we've got a solid uptrend. The trend just started rising from the current support level. Placing the bet. Yes, Nailed it. We are up $2. Next up, Aussie and the Canadian dollar. After an upward move, a strong bearish impulse is likely to pull the price down. Nice. Our balance is up to $4 now. We're smashing it through. Okay, let's see. The chart's just starting to pivot, bouncing off a historical low, and we are tracking the rebound upward. We'll go higher. Nailed it. $8. Splendid. All for you, my dear friends. I'm always here, ready to spill the beans on the juiciest secrets and walk you through the wildest strategies. Give this video a thumbs up for all my hard work and dedication. Seriously. Your likes, subscribes, and heartwarming DMs mean the world to me. They truly keep me going. But hey, enough of that. Let's keep this train moving. We are on the first pair. What do we have here? A bit of a mixed situation, but I think we're heading down. Let's press that lower button. Jumped in right at the start of the candle and... Whoa, we see it moving down. Hold up. We're getting a reversal? Dang it! Alright, deep breath. This kind of stuff happens on super short time frames. That's because candle fluctuations can be quite fast. But hey, no worries. Still got $8 in the account. Let's shake it off and keep going. Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. Let's go higher. Nicely done. Got 15 coins in the bag. Our perseverance is paying off. And our capital is growing. Okay, let's see. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. We just gotta ride this downward trend. Going lower. It's simple. Red candles diving fast. On such a short time frame, just gotta catch that movement. And that's how it's done. Made a cool $29. Watch and learn, folks. Now, we'll skip the fourth pair, Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, and head back to the first. That's one long candlestick. Betting on a drop. After such a strong upward push, it's kinda expected there will be a pullback. How about that? Got the magic touch? With just a flick of my wrist, I've added $56 to our account. Hell yeah!
Well, hell yes, I'm doing the best I can.
To hone your skills, I'd say binge watch more strategy analysis videos. Check out my video on a super effective way to make some good money. I made over $10,000 in a single session and it took me less than 10 minutes. Harness these awesome tools to boost your earnings. Click here or find the link in the description to dive into my strategy breakdown. So, are we ready for more? This strategy is game changer. Let's get into it.
Oh, let's go.
The Canadian and the franc. Oh my gosh. Just look at those powerful impulses dragging the chart down. That's the direction we're trading in. Seriously, with such speed and massive volume, this movement isn't ending anytime soon. We've just scored $107. And guess what? Still have more tricks up my sleeve. Let's see. Oh, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. Our third pair. Let's jump in quickly. Lower it is. We caught that entry perfectly right after a strong impulse at the top. And yet again, we've boosted our earnings. We are now at $206. Let's continue testing our strategy. All right, here we go. Lower. You've got to think fast here. Meanwhile, we're sitting pretty at $395. I wonder what's next. Oh my god, it's super important for traders to keep their cool. Aussie and the Swiss franc. We're going higher. Whoa. We entered right at the beginning of a new candle formation, right after a huge red one. We are now up $759. But hey, let's keep the pedal to the metal. Here we go. The Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc. Getting ready to bet lower. And we are in. This time it's the opposite. After a long green candle, expect a red one. Check this out. We are at $1,457. What a phenomenal session that was! Stellar results! It's clear that trading on a 5-second time frame is doable. You just gotta think on your feet. Amazing. Okay, so my trading journey, it's been a roller coaster. Ups, downs, moments of, let's admit, sheer greed and impatience. But hey, over time I totally mastered my game. I started raking in some serious cash, got my dream car, even the house of my dreams. I've been jet setting, seeing the world. Oh, and did I mention my spotlight moment on Bloomberg? Chatting about binary options? Yep, that happened. And you know what? You can totally rock this too. Come and join my Telegram channel where over 18,000 amazing souls like you are already hanging out. And so many of them are averaging around $800 daily. If you've got your sights set on your first million in a year, who doesn't? Then here's your to-do list. Click on the first link in the description to join my Telegram channel. Slide into my DMs with a little hello. Once you do, I can let you into our exclusive club where I drop trade signals every single day. You can basically copy my moves and make money right along with me. Gradually, you'll see your earnings grow. And who knows, you might just hit that $4,000 daily mark or even more.
I started with 100 euros and I'm already up to 500 euros right now.
Looking for the safest, quickest online money-making magic? You found it. I'll be with you every step of the way, guiding you on when and which currency pair to make your move on, how to navigate pocket option, all the nitty-gritty details right down to which buttons to press. It's all laid out. Super clear. The best part? You can copy my trades for free and I'll be cheering you on every single day. In just a few days, you'll get the hang of trading and pocket your first earnings, even if you're an absolute newbie.
Everyone, keep doing what you're doing. You are changing lives through your free signals.
I know some of you might be thinking, oh, trading, strategies, signals, indicators, sounds complicated, but look at me. It's simpler than you think, and I'll personally guide you. Just follow my lead and you'll consistently see results like mine. I'm so excited to unlock the dazzling world of trading for you and help you chase those big dreams. I'll be waiting for you in my Telegram like right now. Click that first link in the description and pin comment below the video. Catch you there!
Yeah, here we go.
And that, my friends, is how you make bank with binary options, with ease, pleasure, and feeling like a total boss lady. Now is the perfect moment to smash that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments about today's exciting session. Ready to keep leveling up your trading game? Check out my video on a profit-packed strategy. Spoiler alert! I made $3,399 in just 15 minutes, effortlessly. Click right here or find the link in the description. And hey, never stop leveling up those skills, okay? Invite more pals over to my channels. Let's build an epic and thriving community together. Sending love to all of you. Bye for now, kittens. Catch you in my cozy little Telegram channel.